Hey. Today we are going to solve score of parentheses, the median problem, and it's a stack problem. Let me read you the problem statement. Given a balanced parenthesis string S, return the score of the string. The score of the balanced parenthesis string is based on the following rules. If its opening and closing parenthesis is score 1, okay, we can add them, we can multiply them. Okay, it makes sense. It means like we are going to, sometimes we got nested. It means like we are going to count open parentheses and close parentheses. If you got like those two conditions, we are going to return 1. If you got like 2, 3, 4 values, we are going to return that kind of number. At this time, we are going to add the first parenthesis into stack, then we are going to add the second parenthesis into stack, and you got the third parenthesis. We are going to count just once, 1, and like remove this one, and when you got the last parenthesis, we are going to increment it by 1, and we are going to remove this one. That's what we are going to do it at this time. Like we are going to return to the same thing for this one. Okay, let's initialize our stack with the value of 0 for parentheses in S. What we are going to do, we are going to ask a question. If p is equal to the open parenthesis, what we are going to do, we are going to append zeros for our stack. Stack dot append 0. We can't count it until we get like the close parenthesis. Okay. Else, it means like if we got the close parenthesis, what we are going to do, we are going to store our values into val, and we are going to remove the last element of the stack. Stack dot pop. At this time we got removed this value. Let's check if our value is 0. Means val going to be 1. Else what we are going to do is, if we got like this kind of nested parenthesis, our value is going to be multiplied by 2 because it's double parenthesis. Okay, after that what we are going to do is our last element of stack is going to be incremented by our value. Then we are going to return like the stack of our first element. That's what we need to return. Yeah, it's working. It's pretty efficient.